Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cheese quesadilla. First, gather your simple ingredients: tortillas, your favorite shredded cheese, and a small amount of butter or cooking oil. Make sure your cheese is ready to melt beautifully. Next, prepare your cooking surface by placing a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. This quick prep ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Lightly butter one side of a tortilla, or brush it with a little oil. Place the buttered side down onto your preheated pan. Immediately, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your chosen cheese evenly over the entire surface of the tortilla. This allows the cheese to start melting as the tortilla warms up. As the cheese starts to melt and the bottom tortilla becomes slightly golden, it's time to fold. Carefully fold the tortilla in half, creating a crescent shape. Gently press down with your spatula to ensure the cheese sticks together and melts thoroughly. Continue cooking for 1 to 2 minutes on each side, until both sides are a beautiful golden brown. Once your quesadilla is perfectly golden and the cheese is gooey and melted, carefully remove it from the pan. Place it on a cutting board and, using a pizza cutter or knife, slice it into 2 or 3 easy-to-handle wedges. Serve your warm, cheesy quesadilla immediately. It's a simple, satisfying snack or meal that's always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.